Good afternoon. Welcome to Azbell Capital Group, and thanks for taking a look at the first video of my fund. A little history behind the fund. We are been around since 2006, and basically we focus on enhancing the major goals of our clients by bringing unencumbered advice. We try to enable ourselves to freely create a plan centered on every client that's aligned with our particular fund. So with that, we continue to meet the challenging and changing markets by investing in really world-class services. Our continuous investment in technology provides our customers with access to third-party custody and clearing services through people like Apex, JP Morgan, multiple execution platforms to all the major exchanges, relationships with floor brokers, access to all the ECN markets, including ARCA, an institutional trading desk, a fixed income desk, which allows us to access corporate, government, municipal issues, marketing services. We provide access to independent research for our financial advisors and their clients, from JP Morgan to Bloomberg, Moody's, Best Independent Research, Argus, and the list goes on. So our clients have access to asset management services that have some of the best and world-class managers. My history in the banking and investment world has been for 12 years. The fund, founded in 2006. We're really getting going this year, up substantially for this year, and we'll go through and just want to give you an introduction to who we are. We're located in Dallas, Texas. We're a retail and institutional broker-dealer committed to the highest and most professional service to our clients to meet investment strategies. So we definitely appreciate you taking a look. Our goal, what we really focus on, is small cap stocks, investment strategies with foreign currency. We offer free consultations, free investment plans, and a satisfaction guarantee. Visit us at azbellcapitalgroup.com. Feel free and email me, hedge fund manager Carl Azbell, founding fund manager for Azbell Capital Group. With that, let's get into the charts. Let's look at what we're looking at, the moves we're going to make next week, what we're in now, and what we're looking at and going forward in the markets. Try to keep each video to 10 minutes or less. I'll try to fly through this, get through the charts. Thank you for listening to the introduction. I wanted to make sure I had at least that on the first video for the channel, so anybody that had questions could reference that, and feel free in contact. I answer, and I get hundreds of emails every day, but I will get back to everybody. The first that we looked at earlier was ABCP, which was a Ambase corporation that got I think it was a $200 million settlement from the FDIC for some things that they were due. And the interesting thing about the stock is that it really doesn't do anything. I mean, it had the big jump from when it made the news that it was going to get this huge monetary award that had to be paid to them within 10 days. So we see the stock price move from basically, I think it was somewhere around $1.75, $1.50, with a 300% gain, I think is what it was, taking us to where we are, about the 260 range. Today's market, it traded from 259, I think, to 261, somewhere around there. So almost a 1% change. The interesting thing is they really only own a building somewhere in Connecticut, I think it is. So don't really look to do anything on this stock. The only thing that it might push higher is that the stock is going to offer maybe a $1.25 to $2 dividend payout to the shareholders for the stock. Not a lot of volume, not really a lot of shareholders in the first place. We're looking at shorting the stock. In fact, we're short now several $1,000s on the stock, with our average price at $257. Honestly, we look at this play and we see that I meant to add, this company had the same ruling a year ago in September. I did look this one up to verify its accuracy, and it is accurate, unfortunately. So I looked to see that this either stayed the same or moved slightly higher. What I was hoping is that the shareholders of the company would be smart and dump their shares and bring the price down. I don't know why they wouldn't. It would be a great opportunity for them to take and capitalize on more money. We're going to exit the trade shortly if the stock doesn't move our way, but that's definitely a position that we hold. Liquid metal is our next trade. We traded this about 6 months ago, back in when it was around the 22-cent range or the 24-cent range. I can't quite remember. Not a lot of volume, but the company is a manufacturer for metals and alloys. They have a conference tomorrow, September 6th, on what they may do. The rumors being that they might be providing the alloy case for Apple. Now, they actually have an agreement with Apple already, and we look and we are long the position. Our average share price at $2.85 at 28.5 cents, a couple $1,000 there. We'll really know where the stock moves tomorrow after the conference call. We are long that position. PZZI is another play that we're making. A Pi 5, which was a Dallas-based, or is a Dallas-based company under the Pizza Inn, I think it was, Pizza Inn chain, trading down 4% today with 75,000 on the volume. We look to see the earnings call coming out on Monday. That puts us on Monday, September 10th. We look for, I went to their restaurant, and at 6 o'clock in the afternoon, it was dead. I mean, nothing going on. So we look to see the share price continue to move down to put us in a profitable position. There were some shorts available today. We are short a couple $1,000. Our average price at $3.43 a share. So we're basically even right now on the stock, but trying to find shares to short right now is difficult. If you are, we'd recommend shorting the position here. And ahead of the earnings call on Monday, which we believe will be low, like I said, I went to the company, I went and had lunch there, and nothing. I mean, it was 6 o'clock. I did go there for the lunch crowd. Most of the restaurants there have a capacity of maybe 100 people. The food's no good. It's not gonna do well. $3 is pretty overvalued, considering, if you look at some of the other companies, out there right now. I mean, Bank of America is $7-8 a share. You're looking at Sprint, which is $4.95 a share. Really, we don't see any reason that this is up at $3.42. It seems very overvalued. There was a Seeking Alpha article that pumped it up. We look to see this either crash, come down, find support somewhere around the $3.20 or the $3.10 level. But we see maybe a 5% drop tomorrow, and then going into Friday with the earnings call. I mean, we think this come down to at least 330 is where we're placing our estimates. Again, we're short. What is it? Let me look at the big board here. Not a lot, a couple thousand on this. Those are our three plays right now. Some big movement expected. Like I said, that first ABCP, probably exit that trade tomorrow. Maybe look to short some other particulars, and we'll look at those that have been recently pumped. Look for our online trading lessons. Thanks for listening to the video. Kind of get a view of what our plays are going to be for this next coming days before the weekend. Feel free, and I hope that you reach out, subscribe to the channel for our free picks to come out. I'm going to have them out every day, Monday through Friday. If you want to join live in the trading room, you can subscribe, send me your email, and you can share and view the desktop, view our trading desk for free. Give us a try. If you're interested, join the fund. We pay, and you can get an investment package. We send those out. We've got several clients that are given $10,000, $15,000 a month. So far, all profitable, and we have literature information on those. So thanks for watching. AzbellCapitalGroup.com, and we hope to talk to you soon.